Hey, welcome back to the Trini Will. I'm Keisha, and today I have a beauty supply haul. Some of these products I bought during Amazon Prime. I don't think I got much off. I think some of them I did, but some of them is just because it's products I wanted to try. Anyway, let's get into it. I don't think that this was on sale, but I decided to get this Morphe set, and I think it came with 6 brushes, a flat buffer brush, powder fluff brush, precision powder brush, deluxe angle brush, highlight definer brush. I think I like that it came with the bag, yum foundation. I was thinking to use this for blush. Oh my gosh, you can't be serious. Okay, that's just a few, and I'll figure out what I'll use the rest for. Oh, and the bag has room for more things. Keep on the topic of face, I just bought this because it seems to be popular, and it could be because of not sleeping, but let's see if it could still work. But I've been wanting to try these topical eye patch. What do you call this? Eye mask? Yeah. Yeah, I've been wanting to try these topical eye masks. So, got this, and it has 6 pairs in this box. There's another brand I wanted to buy that had more for the same price, but I was like, you know what? I wanted to try this, so I'll try it. I also picked up some lashes, and I thought that I would like it. I need to learn my lesson. The last brand I purchased, I really like those. It looks natural, but I said, you know, let me try another brand just to see. I don't like how these look. These look like they will look like dolly lashes. And the glue that I purchased, I didn't like it too much, so I said I'll try the Kiss mascara. I hope that this gives me a few days wear. Press-ons. Oh, these are press-ons. It's not even the gel. I think I made a mistake. I wanted some gel, but this says press-ons. Anyway, again, so the last time I tried the BT Art Box, really liked it. Yeah, I tried the BT Art Box, really liked it. I like that it came with the colors, so sometimes I don't need to put a color on it. I can wear it as is. So this time around, I said I will try the Beatles, and I was a little skeptical about the color, and I think I'm still skeptical about the color because I feel like this is a little too pink. So I feel we'll see how it looks on my nails, but I feel like I'll end up doing some color over it on nail art. I don't know if I'll wear it just as is, but I would say that more comes in the package compared to the BT Art Box. So I'll see how I feel about these. Hopefully I do like it. This was gifted, and this is from Bumble and Bumble, and it's their styling oil. So they call it a finishing oil, and it's supposed to reduce fizz, smooth, and it protects from heat. So I won't say it's a heat protectant, but I'll be trying this when I do my hair. Now, moving on to body care. You'll have heard me speak about the Dove body scrubs. I like them. This is vanilla sugar and shea butter. I don't think I ever tried this one, but the product itself, it looks extra fine. Usually that's one of the reasons I like it. It's not too harsh, it's light, but it looks lighter than the coconut one and the pomegranate one. The little specks look even smaller, so let's see how I feel about this. One of the creams I know for sure that I can't find here is Jergens. And I know Jergens has been a very traditional brand. Like, they've kind of stuck to what they know, change it up a bit. But recently I saw that they're doing some new things. And I saw that they have this, it could just be the packaging they changed, I don't know, it works. But this is an oil-infused shea and cocoa butter blend. So usually I would prefer cocoa butter. If I can't get cocoa butter, I'll do the shea butter. I was hoping this would be thick, but feeling it in here, it feels like it will be a bit runny, and it is. It smells good. Feels very thick and hydrating. I like this. This is shea butter and almond oil. There's another one I purchased. I purchased the coconut oil, and I don't know, I don't really like how coconut oil smells. So I was like, ugh, because I like the product, but I don't really like the smell, but I'm going to use it out because I bought it. So when I saw that there is the shea butter, I said I'll try this one, and hopefully I like the smell a little better, and then I can rate the product a little better if I like the smell. And Another product that I saw very interesting that I wanted to try is again from Jergens, and this is the Vanilla Crush Cream. I think they had like 3 versions. There was like an amber and a lavender. I think the other one, the amber, I was interested in a bit, but I said I'll do the vanilla. So hopefully I like this. They say Vanilla Crush Share Fusion, Cozy Vanilla, Toasted Almonds, and Warm Sugar. And since we're coming into the winter season, I was like, yeah, that smells like winter, no? Oh my gosh. You know what it smells like? This smells like the Bath and Body Works toasted toasted marshmallows. What do you call it? Cozy Fire Night. Like, I had it. Oh, Bar will like this. Used to like that Bath and Body Works cream. This is nice. I like it. This is nice. This is nice. So we're still going. We still have more. I should make this into a Jergens haul because I still have more Jergens product. I purchased this hand wash last time and I liked it. Because I have dry and hard hands. So every time I wash my hands, it gets really dry. So sometimes I don't like to use every type of soap, especially when you're using the bathroom and always washing your hands. I want to have like a moisturizing soap. So usually I'll use like Dove. That's not too bad. But this, I put these over the Dove. So this is the Almond Cherry hand wash. Loved it. Loved it, loved it, loved it, loved it, loved it. So I repurchased it. Then my last few body washes have been Olay. I've been liking it and it's lasted a little bit longer because one of the ones I bought, Bar found it was too feminine for him. That's the strawberry. I balanced it out again. So I got, the last one I got was the shea butter, but I saw that there is also the cocoa butter. I hope this smells good. Okay, I'm slightly disappointed. Like, it's not horrible, but it's not what I was expecting. It's basic. But the product itself, I like it. Leaves my skin feeling very moisturized. And then I have a sample of the Black Opium. I thought I did not like that scent, but I actually like it. I look at the notes and it said cherry. And then I saw that they had this cherry one and I was like, This is much more tame than the strawberry one. I don't think Bar will have a problem using this because it's a little tame. So I got the black cherry and vanilla and the cocoa butter. And these are gonna last for some time. The last product, well, basically the last product I got is this hair product, and it's from the Do. I saw a TikTok, I can't remember her name right now, but a Trini, I think is netball that she plays. And when I saw the results, I said I had to try it because I'm a girl, I can't do any wash and goes. Like, my hair texture, not a body wash and go life. When I saw what it did for her hair, I said, ooh, I'm gonna try it. So I got it. It's the Bee Girl Honey Curl Custard, and based on the color, I was like, this is looking weird, but then I saw that they did a reformulation. So apparently this color is from the old formula and the lighter one is the newer formula. So we'll see. But it got damaged in transit, so it's a bit messy, but it doesn't look like too much got spilled. So thank God for that. The only thing I'm worried about is how I'm gonna secure it. I'll figure that out. And those are all the items. Actually, I got one more item, but it's kind of weird, right? Because I shop from Amazon US and I saw this, but this is an Italian brand from right here in Milan. Why am I buying it on Amazon US? But it was on sale and I was like, I'm already buying all these things, so I'll get it. And I like their lip gloss. I have another one, but I've been wanting like a kind of coral lip color because all my colors are like nude and I want something like this, like, you know, I like it. Looks good. So that was my haul. Of course, I'll have some reviews or like MCs or updates on how I find the products or something like that. But if you enjoyed, don't forget to like. If it's not your first time enjoying a video from me, don't forget to subscribe, and you can check out any of these videos here. I'm sure you would like it. But until next time, ciao.